Hi guys, so today I want to show you a trick that you can use in the markets, and it's not really a strategy. It's just kind of, you could use it as a confirmation, or you could see the market in a different way if you utilize it properly. So it's not a strategy or holy grail or anything like that, that always works, but it's something that you can use on your entry points. Now, what your entry point is, obviously that matters based on your analysis, whatever analysis you have, but whatever I'm about to show you, it's definitely going to change the game for you if you can use it correctly. So let me show you what I exactly mean. What you want to see is, you want to see very clear two candles. So what you want to see is something like that. You can see one candle closed and the next candle opened from the same place where this closed. So it's like a flat line. Between the two candles, like that. And what you want is, you want both of them candles to have wicks as well. It could be short, it could be long, and you want to kind of draw the zone from the body of both candles to the bottom of the wick, or sometimes if you want to be even more precise, then you can draw it to the wick which is the smallest. So you can see this is the smallest wick, so you can draw the zone like that. Now let me show you the power for this. If you get these candles at the edge of, say for example, the markets come down and you found a zone like this, what you can do is, you can just mark that zone across just like that and wait for the market to bounce back again to that zone. And on your lower time frames, you can look for an entry. If you get an entry, then you buy. You don't just wait for the market to come here and just start buying, no, because it can break it very, very easily. So what you want is, you want the market to come here, you want to see your reactions, you want to make sure you have your TP levels wherever you set it. You want to make sure you do all that stuff. I'm just showing you something that can help you in analyzing and in trading. So even this zone, if you actually carry on, look, it gets respected here, it also gets respected here. Now if you don't see two candles like this, for example here, you don't see two candles with wicks, you see like a third one coming out, and that's kind of distracting you from what the explanation that I gave. I just want to see two candles. If you see something like this, which is kind of not based on what I'm exactly saying, then what you want to do is, you want to go to the higher time frame and you want to see if on the higher time frame you actually get something a bit more clear. So if you go on the higher time frame on this 4 hours, so this is the one that obviously we were looking at, and if you look at this 4 hour, you can see clearly that there is two candles, there are two candles closed, and both of them have wicks. So what you can do is draw the zone from the body of the both candle to the wick and draw it across, right? When the market comes here, now you can go on your smaller time frames, whatever time frame you want to go, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, whatever, and you want to see a reaction around that zone. And obviously, as I said, your entry, your exit, and your stop loss, everything should be planned beforehand. Okay, I'm just showing you an edge that you could have to the market. Okay, so what you have is another one here. So you can see another zone here. You can see there's two candles closed, flat, and both of them have wicks. If I draw the zone, I can obviously draw the zone like this, but to be a bit more clear, I draw the zone on the lower candle, look, and you can see that when the market came back there, it respected it really well. So this is a very powerful way. I mean, let's go to another pair. Yeah, I'm just going to delete everything, and let's look at it here. So here you got two candles. Look, 1, 2, both of them flat, and you draw your zone from the body to the wick, and you kind of stretch it right, body to the wick. There you go, body to the wick. And when the market came here, you got respected. So the main thing here is being extremely clear. If you got two clear candles, let's see this one. So this one, you can see there's two clear candles, but you can see the market didn't come down that much. It didn't come down. You just missed it literally. You can, as I said, if 1 hour is not clear, you go to the 4 hour. If 4 hour is not clear, you go to the daily, and so forth. Let's go on the 4 hour. Let's check. So on the 4 hour, again, this I wouldn't say this is clear, although this did get respected, but this is not clear. So if it's not clear, what I mean by clear is two candles. I don't want the third one and the fourth one. So two candles. So if 4 hours not clear, let me go to the daily and let me see if I can actually find something. So on the daily, yeah, there you go. So on the daily, if I draw this candle from both of the bodies to the smallest wick right there, that wasn't really, I mean, if I go on the 4 hour time frame, or the 1 hour, actually, let's go on the 1 hour and see how the market, so this is where the market reacted. So you can see it reacted here and it reacted here as well, but this zone was drawn from the daily time frame. So you guys understand the power of this is quite useful. I mean, you can't go wrong. How about this one? So this one, you got a third candle. I don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check this out on the 4 hour time frame, and let's see how that looks. So this is the 4 hour time frame right here. Yep, I can see on the 4 hour time frame, I can see two very nice flat candles, and I can see a pretty nice zone right here. So if I draw that, you can see when the market came down here, it respected it really well. Okay, so yeah guys, hopefully this was useful for you. It's something that you can use to kind of understand the markets maybe a bit better. So remember this as well. Let's say, for example, there was a zone here. You can see this clear, two candles here, two candles here. You don't want to just ignore this. So you also want to draw, you also want to put this zone on your chart as well, but you also don't want to miss this one, because look what the market done. Market came here and then respected. It didn't really touch this. So you can see right here there's two candles as well. You can see the market rejected. So Friday finished, so rejected end of the day. Let's check out another one, just one more. USDJPY. Yeah, I'm just going to delete all that. So my analysis, and so ideally what you want to see is two candlesticks right here. Two candlesticks closed nicely, and if I actually draw the zone, first time obviously rejected here. So if you're looking for an entry here, you could have entered here as well. Okay, and then if you actually carry on with that same zone, you got rejected multiple times, once, twice, 3, 4 times rejected. So yeah, I mean, let me show you this as well. So let's say these are two candlesticks that you're looking at, these two right here. So obviously you can see a rejection on this candle, but here you don't see a rejection. Well, let's go to the smaller time frame. Smaller time frames, 1 hour 50, you don't really see a rejection. I mean, there's no possible buying candles here that's giving you a buy signal. So you don't take it. It is not, you just know that the market is trending. So yeah, so these two candlesticks close like that is very, very powerful. And there's many more. I just showed you an example from last week. Really, there's so many more examples. Go to the market, do some back testing, and you'll see what I exactly mean and how powerful this is. You could actually tell. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you do like it, do subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I will be making regular videos, and I will also be posting analysis of trades that I am about to take, and the before video and after video as well I'm going to be posting. So what you can do is you can see the before videos that I'm posting and the after videos that I'm posting in live markets, so you can actually see the power of this type of analysis. And obviously there's many more things. Slowly we'll get into them, but for now, if you're in the markets, you should try out what I just showed you. Thank you very much for listening.